Hello children, so welcome back. Again we are going to start with chapter 16 of class 8, that is playing with number. In this video we are going to discuss another game with number, that is part 2. That's because here in this video we are going to play another game. So here let's follow the instruction, whatever the step is given for this game we are going to follow. So here the first step says that choose 3-digit number. So let's taking any 3-digit number. Suppose I'm taking 234. Okay, my number is 234. Now it says that reverse the number, means we have to reverse the number. So this unit place become 4 and then 3, and this 100 place will become the, so we just reverse this. One is going to here and this one here. So now new number become 432. Now it says that subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So here we have two number. Whatever the smaller name, we are going to subtract that number from the larger number. So here of course 432 is the larger one. So we multiply, subtract 234 from this. So what we get after subtraction? Here we have 2 minus 4 means 12 minus 4 is 8, and then here we have 2. So 12 minus 3 is 9 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So after subtraction we get number as 194. So now it says that now whatever the answer, we have to divide that number with 99. So here we have 198. We divide this with, let's divide in a proper way. So we divide this 198 with 99. So how are we going to do? So if we multiply with 99, of course we don't know the table of 99. So 99 2 ja, what we get? 2 9 ja 18. Here we have 1, 9 2 ja 2, 9 ja 18 plus 1 is 19. So of course 99 2 ja, it is 198. So remainder going to be 0. So our fifth step says that whatever the remainder we get, that must be what? It is 0. So of course our remainder is 0. So this is very interesting game, because if we follow this step we always get remainder as a 0. You can take any number. Choose any random number. You can take any 3-digit number. You always, if you follow this instruction, you always get remainder as 0. So suppose I'm taking a general numbers in general notation. So suppose I'm taking a number like 3-digit number. It is A, B, C. So that can be written as A as what? It is 100 place. So we can write A into 100 plus B is what? It is 10th place. So B into 10 plus C is what? It is unit place. Now reverse this number. So this C and B and A, again it is C is 100 place. So C into 100 plus B is 10th place. So 10th place, and A is what? It is unit place. Now it says that we have to do subtraction. So here we don't know that which one is the larger one and smaller one. So let's subtract only. So suppose I'm subtracting from this. So we can write this one, A into 100 means 100A plus 10B plus C minus, what we have to do? Minus is what? It is minus 100C 10B plus A. So let's do subtraction. What we get after subtracting? So 100A minus A is what? It is 99A. 10B minus 10B, it's going to be 0, and C minus 100C is minus 99C. So after here we can see that 99 is common. So let's take 99 as a common. So what we get inside the bracket is this A minus C. So again here 99 is what? It is the factor of this number. So if we divide this number by 99, so of course it is going to be fully divisible by 99. So it's going to be cancelled because 99 is what fraction. So again we get remainder is what? Remainder is 0. So this is how we can take for a general number 3-digit number. So this is the proper step. You can choose any number by your side and you just follow the instruction, and finally you get that your remainder must be 0. So in next video we are going to discuss another game. So for today that's all. Thank you.